All right, today is December 7th, 2024, 3:15 in the afternoon. I'm at 109 Westchester Drive. I'm going to attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle. Just based on observations, shingles have a significant amount of granule loss. I've worked on over a dozen homes in this neighborhood with these shingles, and they're all in pretty brittle condition. I'm going to attempt to repair this shingle and see if I can bring this home back to pre-loss condition with spot repairs. I'm going to be utilizing a flat bar and a roofing hatchet, standard tools for repair, and going to be pulling these nails out, pushing the shingle out, putting a new shingle in. You can already see just barely manipulating these shingles, a lot of granule loss. Gonna be lifting these shingles up just high enough to get the nails out. That nail stayed in, it pulled through the shingle. The nail pulled through the shingle and stayed in place. Again, nail stayed into the shingle. It's pulling right through. So now this shingle now has about a 1/4 inch size diameter hole in it. Shingle nail was penetrated into the roof. Again, I'm lifting these about 30 degrees, just enough to get the nails out of the shingle. Looks like we got one more nail in here somewhere. All right. Pull this old shingle out, put a new one in. Every time I touch these, granules are just coming right off of the shingles. All right, gonna be utilizing roofing hatchet, 1¼ inch roofing nails. Gotta lift the shingle up high enough to get this perpendicular to the roofing surface. So this is the minimum that I can lift it up to properly place this nail. Every time I touch these shingles, they lose more and more granules. All right. So looking at these shingles that are going to be remaining, I can see quite a bit of creasing here, creasing along here, creasing along this shingle, creasing here, a lot of granule loss. I'm gonna give these a light dusting, knock all these loose granules off, mimic what would happen next time it rains or a gust of wind comes through, to see what the state of these shingles will be like that will be existing. It just clearly shows a lot of deep dark creasing. You can see some here in the corner, all across this shingle, all across here. This whole shingle is creased. So these creases are showing that the asphalt fiberglass matting of this shingle is fractured. If I were to lift this shingle up and look underneath, you would see the fiberglass would actually be pulled apart. So to repair this one damaged shingle, I ended up damaging 3 up further. So I would consider this a failed repair attempt. So there's no way that I can bring this roof back to pre-loss condition by doing a spot repair. So I recommend doing a full roof replacement.